Alright guys, so tonight we're going to do a real quick video. You've already seen the way I filter my meal prep. This is 4 pounds of diced and cubed chicken breast. Got mushrooms. Later on in the video I'll caption in how much I use. Using big chunks, 3 jalapenos, a onion, and cream cheese. Alright, so this is just completely on the fly as we go. I want to show you how quick it is. The time is now 8:14. See you in a minute. So we've added in 2 tablespoons of black pepper. No, I'm sorry, 4 tablespoons of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of turmeric, and 2 tablespoons of paprika. Gonna stir it up, keep it sizzling, add the veggies. It is rocking and rolling, so I'm going to reduce that down so it's all cooked, and then we will add in cream cheese as well as sour cream and make it almost, I make it like a casserole in a way, in a pan. So, alright guys, see you in a minute. Alright guys, so now we're going to add in 3 bricks of cream cheese. I've opened all 3, but to make it easier, just kind of break off a clump. It'll help them melt faster. And then here shortly we will add in our sour cream. There's 1 brick. Now, because this is dairy in here, we need to keep stirring it so we can avoid scalding the bottom. So just kind of always keep it in motion. It's not going to take very long to melt up at all. Matter of fact, I'm going to add 4 heaping actually 6 heaping tablespoons of sour cream. And I'm knocking out the last of my little chunks of cream cheese, but it's done. Now, I could throw it in a baking pan and bake it for another 20 minutes at 350, throw some cheese on top, whatnot, and make a casserole, like a baked casserole. This is just fast. It's fully cooked, and I kind of like it like it's almost like a bisque. I know that's strange, like a real cream of chicken and jalapeno and mushroom soup, and it's just, it tastes amazing. So this is my, I guess, my skillet cream soup with tons of good fat. Alright guys, love you, take care, later.